I genuinely don't remember everything that happened this weekend.
I don't
After
either.
the drive back, that was ridiculous.
Yeah, that was another level. How many miles was that?
Like just shy of 1,000, I think, one way.
So 2,000 miles round trip.
Yeah. We left what?
Wow.
I left Wednesday.
I'll say
Y'all left Thursday.
you left Wednesday.
Yeah. Yeah, well, because I decided
And what
to take
time
my
did you
wife
even end up
and 3
leaving?
kids.
Yeah, what time did you even end up leaving?
Oh, man.
Because he said he was going to be
Like
on the
2.
road by noon.
Yeah, no, it was 2.
2?
Can
Okay.
thank my wife and 3
Okay.
kids for that.
There you
deal.
go.
But which they were gung ho about going. They were excited to go, but they were obviously it's like trying to round up the circus and
It
get them
is.
all.
Yeah.
And we had the dog. So,
Yeah, I forgot about that. You had the dog.
Yeah. So I think we made it
3
like
kids.
4 hours.
Newborn.
4 hours. And they're like, we're tired.
Lunacy.
We want to swim. Like they were done already. And I was like, y'all do realize that we get up tomorrow and that's 9 more hours without stops that we've got to complete tomorrow. Like we have to
there
be
was
there
nothing but
tomorrow to
excitement from
prepare.
them. Yeah.
So yeah, it was like got up, I think at like 6 and stop every 2 hours. The baby was honestly really good for the way there. It was just the way back where he was like 45 minutes into us starting to drive, he's losing it. Kate's jumping in the back. Constantly. And if the 2 noises that are now my bugaboo is him crying and the seatbelt dinging because she disconnected her seatbelt to climb in the back. And it just continues on. It never stops until the weight gets out of the seat. It doesn't stop. So she's like leaning over, trying to give him the passy and console him. And it's just ding, 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 ding constantly. And finally I was like, you got to get in the back. I can't listen to him cry and listen to the dinging going off just the whole time. And it was a solid, we left Springfield at like noon. So 6.5 hours of that the whole way back.
So y'all left Wednesday at 2, or you were on the road by 2. When did you actually get to UCC?
Thursday at 5 o'clock.
Oh, wow. So how many, did you start adding the stops up?
Yeah, it was like 2 hours and 45 minutes of stops for the way there. We didn't stop a ton and like stay stopped on the way back, but we did like that first stretch to Springfield, which was like 6.5. So yeah, it was brutal.
Wow.
It was really brutal. So
Was the dog just jumping around the whole time?
no, she was throwing up in the back. And, yeah, she was eating the kids' McDonald's toys and then throwing it up in the back and then eating it. So
That is awesome.
Of course, typical.
Yeah. In y'all's brand new car.
Yeah,
Wow.
typical puppy.
That's awesome.
We were really questioning. I know my wife for sure was questioning her life decisions.
Oh, I bet everybody
Deciding
was.
to go to UCC
Yeah.
while we're competing and pit crewing with all of the kids. It was just like,
Yeah, that's another level.
I'm surprised that she survived it, but I have to give her more credit than anybody else for I think what she did was harder than what any of us did.
Oh, absolutely.
Because at least when we were there, like, and you get to go to sleep, like,